PC gaming just got a whole lot pricier, and you can blame AI. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech and gaming hub. What was once considered the crown jewel of affordable gaming, building a capable rig right now feels like paying rent on a luxury apartment thanks to skyrocketing demand for the very parts that make your PC run. GPUs have long been expensive thanks to crypto and AI, but now RAM and SSDs are joining the party, making prices soaring. Flash storage that once cost pennies has suddenly become a hot commodity. Companies cut production in late 2024, hoping to hike prices, and now the AI is taking up memory and storage from massive server farms. These data centers were built to train giant AI models, use the same components your gaming PC does, and manufacturers are prioritizing enterprise over consumer parts. This results in fewer chips and more cash out of your pocket. For the first time in 30 years, DRAM, SSDs, and even HDDs are in short supply. DDR4 memory prices have doubled, while standard 2TB drives are creeping up. Some Japanese stores are even limiting purchases to prevent hoarding. Analysts warn the prices might stay high for months or years, leaving gamers stuck between buying now or waiting for the AI craze to cool down. Meanwhile, data centers are expanding their size, housing millions of servers, each packed with GPUs, RAMs, and SSDs. These warehouses dwarf your gaming setup, but they're eating the same parts you need. With thousands of centers across the US, the demand shows no signs of slowing. If you were thinking about upgrading your rig, either do it now or prepare to pay a lot more later. AI might promise the future, but for PC gamers, it's already taking a huge chunk of the present. For more updates, like this video, comment what you think about this, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech updates.